Hello students, welcome to you all. Let's start the chapter motion. Students, earlier I have explained what is motion, rest, reference point, rest and motion, and rest and motion are the relative terms. Now students, today I am going to discuss the scalar quantity, vector quantity, distance and displacement. So let's start the term scalar quantity. Fine. Students, scalar quantity is the physical quantity which completely describes the magnitude, right? Means scalar quantity describe the magnitude only, not other things, only the magnitude means that numbers. Fine. So that physical quantity is known as the scalar quantity. For example, mass, time, distance, where we need only the number, where we need only the magnitude. So this is a scalar quantity. Now students, vector quantity that is the physical quantity which describes completely the magnitude as well as direction also. In scalar only magnitude, but in vector magnitude as well as direction also. So it is a vector quantity. For example, force, acceleration, displacement, that term we will discuss and we will see how we need a magnitude as well as direction also. Fine. Now next students, that is a distance. Distance, what is? Distance is the length of the actual path covered by the object in given time interval is known as distance. What I am saying, the length of the actual path covered by the object in given time interval is known as distance. Students, suppose if object A, right, any object is there and it starts motion from the point O. This is a O point and it starts motion. Object A, it starts motion on the from the point O and it reaches on point A. Fine. And it covers the 4 kilometer. Fine. In 1 hour. And again from point A and it reaches to point B and again he covers the 5 kilometer. Now what will be the distance covered by the object? Fine. So students, you see I explained the length of the actual path. What is the length? This one. Actual path is this one where the object travel. So what will be the resultant value of distance? Fine. Distance is a scalar quantity where we need only the magnitude, means we need only the number. So what will be the answer, students? The distance, it will be, we can say the distance covered by the object, it will be OA plus AB. OA, how much he has covered the distance, the object, how much covered the distance, students? That is 4 kilometer. And then 5 kilometer. So what will be the answer, students? It will be 9 kilometer. Fine. Is it clear? It is 9 kilometer. But student, the SI unit of distance is meter. Right? So we can change the kilometer into meter. Right? Always we try to write the answer in meter. Clear? Now let's see the displacement. Student, displacement means the shortest path covered by the object, means from initial position to final position. That means that the shortest distance between the initial and final position in given time interval is known as displacement. Means from final position to initial position we can get the displacement. So displacement is the shortest distance from initial to final in given time interval. Let's see one example, students. Suppose a body starts motion from point O, right, students, and firstly it reaches on point B and cover the 10 kilometer distance. Fine. After that, students, again the object turns and it reaches on any point C. Is it clear? And in returning he cover the 2 kilometer. Fine. So what will be the displacement here? Students, I said displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final position. So let's see here, what is the initial position? This one, O point is the initial position, and final position which is covered by the object is, that is this one. This is the final position. So what will be the displacement, students? Displacement, it will be this one, the shortest distance between the initial and final position. So the answer, it will be this one 10, this one 2. So this one, what it will be? It will be 8 kilometer. Right answer. So here the displacement, it will be 8 kilometer, and again you can change in meter. Again the SI unit of displacement is meter. Students, let's see one thing, students. If I ask what is the distance covered by the object, what you will say? The answer, it will be 12 kilometer. Why it will be 12 kilometer? Because distance is the length of actual path covered by the object. So the length means AB and B to C. Fine. OB plus BC. OB, it is 10 kilometer and BC, it is 2 kilometer. So distance, it will be 12 kilometer. Right. Now students, what is the difference between the distance and displacement? Students, distance can be positive, right? But it cannot be zero. Displacement, student, it can be positive, negative, and can be zero. Fine. Distance, SI unit is meter. Displacement also, it is meter. Distance means the total length of the path. The length of actual path is covered by the object. It is known as the distance. And student, displacement means the shortest distance covered by the object. Fine. Displacement can be zero, but distance cannot be zero. Distance is a scalar quantity, but displacement is a vector quantity, because we need a magnitude as well as direction also. So these are the differences between distance and displacement. Now I am going to ask one question, students. Suppose a boy starts motion. Here I am making the direction north, south, east, west. Suppose, students, a boy starts motion from the origin point O, this is origin point O, 3 kilometer towards the east, 3 kilometer. Fine. Then again he moves towards north and cover the distance 4 kilometer. Now my question is, what will be the distance and displacement? Fine. Okay, I am explaining. This is a O. Suppose this point is A, this point is B. If I ask what will be the distance, so what you will do? The distance covered by the object will be OA plus AB. So it will be 3 plus 4, which is 7 kilometer. Again you will change in meter. Fine. Now what will be the displacement? Displacement means the shortest distance. Shortest distance, that is this one. Initial point is this one, final point this one. So what will be there? So you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem, which is applied for the right angle, and Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, it will be OB square, which is equal to OA square plus AB square. Fine, students. Now put the value. OB square is equal to OA square, that means 3 square, plus AB square, which is 4 square. Then OA 3 square, it will be 9, plus 4 square, it will be 16. OB square is equal to 25. I am doing here, students. OB square is equal to 25. So what will be the value of OB? OB is equal to under root 25. The answer will become 5 kilometer, and again you will change it meter. So these are the things which I have explained ki what is distance and displacement. Do the numericals related from this topic and ask to me. Thank you, students.